Have you ever wondered what really makes a woman attracted to you? It's not just about looks, bro. It goes much deeper than that. It's about how you carry yourself, how you communicate, and most importantly, how you make her feel comfortable and valued. In the next few minutes, you're going to learn 7 key steps that can naturally and genuinely attract a woman. And if you truly understand this, you won't need to force anything. Attraction will happen on its own, but remember, use this wisely. This is not about manipulating anyone. This is about building real connection. Let's begin. 1. Authenticity and confidence. In social interactions, being yourself is non-negotiable. No one likes being deceived. No one feels comfortable around someone wearing a mask. When you're authentic, you create a space where others feel safe to be themselves too. This doesn't mean you have to reveal everything, but be honest about who you are without pretending. And don't forget, confidence is key. When you believe in yourself, it shows in the way you speak, the way you stand, the way you look at people. Simple things like eye contact, a genuine smile, open body posture can create a strong first impression. 2. Effective communication. Communication is a skill, and it can be trained. One of the most important elements is active listening. Not just waiting for your turn to talk, but truly being present. Use open-ended questions, simple responses, small nods to show that you're engaged. Also, clarity matters. Don't overtalk. Don't complicate things. Speak simply and honestly. And one more thing, empathy. Try to see things from her perspective. Understand how she feels, because great communication is always two-way. 3. Build emotional connection. If you want something deeper, you have to go beyond surface-level conversation. Start sharing meaningful experiences, not something fake, but something real. For example, life experiences, challenges you faced, things that shaped you. When you show a bit of vulnerability, you give her space to do the same. And that's where emotional connection begins. Also, ask deeper questions, not just, do you like traveling? But what's a moment in your life that really changed you? 4. Respect boundaries and consent. This is crucial. Without this, nothing else matters. You need to be aware of her boundaries. If she seems uncomfortable, stop. Don't push. Consent isn't just physical. It also applies to conversations, topics, emotional closeness. Ask, check, respect. Simple things like, are you comfortable talking about this, can make a huge difference. 5. Build attraction gradually. Attraction should be built, not forced. Start with small things, a smile, eye contact, light humor. Let things flow naturally. Don't rush. If she responds positively, then slowly build more connection. The key is awareness. Pay attention to her reactions. 6. Spend quality time. Relationships are built on time, not on luxury. You don't need expensive dates. Sometimes simple moments are more meaningful, like walking together, having deep conversations, doing something relaxed. It's not about the place, it's about the connection. 7. Use it wisely. Now you understand these 7 steps, but the most important part is how you use them. Don't use this to manipulate, play with emotions, feed your ego. Remember, real attraction comes from honesty, respect, and sincerity. If you apply all of this, you won't need to chase because she will naturally be drawn to you. Thank you for watching. Hope this helps. Stay sharp, stay strong.